HVAC Repair Guy here. Before I spent 17 years in the HVAC industry, including my 4-year service apprenticeship and 8 years in the field, I was an electrician in nuclear power. In that world, if it isn't built to last, it isn't going in. Today, we're looking at two ducted split AC units from the premium tier, the AirEase A7HP19V and the Coleman AC19. We're going to see which one actually holds up when the weather gets ugly. In the field, the first thing I check is how the manufacturer protects that expensive outdoor coil. There's a big difference here. The AirEase A7HP19V features a superior armor setup with full louvered steel panels. This is the gold standard for blocking hail or a rogue rock from a lawnmower. Now, the Coleman AC19 takes a different approach. It does not have louvered panels. Instead, it uses a wire mesh or slotted design. It's a cleaner look for some, but from a repairman's perspective, it leaves those delicate aluminum fins a lot more vulnerable to the elements. On the plus side, both of these units come standard with compressor blankets, so you won't have to listen to the unit chattering through the wall all night. The AirEase A7HP19V is a powerhouse with a 19.0 SEER 2 rating. It uses a 2-stage compressor, meaning it can run at a lower capacity to save you money on those mild days and kick into high gear only when you really need it. The Coleman AC19 isn't far behind with an 18.2 SEER 2 rating. It also utilizes a 2-stage compressor. While the AirEase is slightly more efficient on paper, both of these units are going to be a massive upgrade over an old single-stage clunker if you're looking to trim down that power bill. I want to hear from you. Have you ever had to comb out AC fins because of hail or a weed whacker? That's exactly why we look at these cabinet designs. Drop a comment below and tell me your horror stories. This is where both brands really step up for the homeowner. AirEase A7HP19V. You get a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. But the real value is the 10-year unit replacement warranty. If the compressor dies in that first decade, they replace the whole outdoor unit. Coleman AC19. They match that beat for beat with a 10-year parts, 10-year compressor, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. Both of these are solid premium choices, but the AirEase A7HP19V takes the win. Between the higher 19.0 SEER 2 efficiency and the added physical protection of those louvered steel panels, it's built more like the equipment I used to see in the nuclear sector. Tough and efficient. If you want to see how these stack up against other models, head over to the website and use our head-to-head tool. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep it cool.